Okay guys, in last video I made one video. There is like how to download and how to install the like an Elementor. So now from today I'm going to teach you how to work on like this Elementor elements. Okay, so these elements, so I will tell you one by one so how to use that and what where you can use that. Okay, so this is our topic is Elementor education today, so that's why here is like many things. So you can just click and drag here, or you can add here first and then you can drag here. Okay, so let's see first this one. This is a plus button, so you can add the like in a section here. You can select the section, one section, this is a whole section. If you have a like a two section, it's a two sections. If you want like a three section, you can put as three sections. Okay, section by section you can add here. And if you want like these sections, you can use this kind of section too. You have a choice here. Okay, and if you don't want, so you can just click this one and delete the sections, delete the sections, delete the section. Okay, this is a one section. So in these sections you can put your, you can show your like elements. So like header or your background, anything you can show here. Okay, today I will tell you like how to use this inner section in these sections. This one is one sections, and when you type, when you just click here and right click here, just right click and then edit section, you can see the edit section here. Okay, this is this part, these sections is belongs to this edit section right here. So suppose stress section. Okay, if you click this one, so this one is whole thing is stress here, and here is a, this whole section is stress here, but this is a content width. Content width means this one, this part is content width. Okay, so if you want to this one also stress here, just click here and full width. See here, this one is come here, right? So before that, if I put here just like in a some letter, this text heading, okay, this one is start here, right? So if I go to click here, this one goes to here. That means full width. This is a full width, but mostly they put like content width is like this much. So that's depend on you how much you want actually. Okay, otherwise here is the like content width. Also here you can type, suppose, see here, this one go here, right, this much. If you want more, this is a custom, you can put anywhere. So little bit more like this you can put here too, like say here. So this is bar, you can choice, you can put the custom number, and then you can show the like in your how much part you want to show. Okay, so mostly, so this is a like default. So default is only here, so you can, so this is a worldwide default site, almost like 1200 pixel. So mostly people are used like that, and this is a a default for the, all monitors, so you can use that. Okay, so this is one uh, part I tell you, right? So if I want to delete, I want to go and delete this one first. And if I want like one more section here, suppose for that I will just grab this and put inside here. See here, when you can see that blue line, and then leave your left mouse button. Okay, like that. Now see here, I'll show you like clearly. I will go and put the color here first, then you can see how to we can manage that. Okay, so first of all I will put the black one. Okay, you can see that. So I'll tell you later all this one. So just I want to show you the color, and then you can see that everything. Okay, so now here this is black color is these sections, and this one is our another section. Okay, inner sections this one is. So if I want one more section in here, I will put inside here, I think. Here, yeah, section by section. But inside here you can put only like in a heading like this, okay? Or you can put image like this. If you want to put like another section here like this, you can go there, but you can put up or down here. See, up and down. When where you can want to like put the one more sections, just leave it here. So here in big section is this one, you have a one section here and another section here, right? So section by section, so you can make that. Or suppose if you have questions like in your mind, so if I want like in three section here, what should I do? For that, just select this one, right click and duplicate the another section. See here, you can see like a three section, right? Or one more section you want, duplicate this one, four sections, four section, two sections. So like this you can make a section by section. Okay, this is one elements you are using here, right? So I will tell you one more thing here and then we'll start next in tomorrow. Okay, and then this heading, so heading section. Okay, suppose if this one section has, I need a heading, I just go and grab here like this heading. You can change the heading topics here. Elementor education, something like that, right? So this heading, so you can edit from here. So if you want to like edit this one, you can go and click here. Or if you want to edit these sections, right click here, edit. So if you want to like some margin here or like some padding here, you can just click here and go here. So first of all, if you just I here is like in a pixel, em and percentage. Okay, if I go to percentage and I put just 5% here, see here, all everywhere is like 5%, like it's padding here. Or if you want just like suppose I put 0 again, and then I want to like click this button, link button, and then this is a top and this is a bottom. If I want like a 5% here and 5% here, it goes to top and bottom here like this. Okay, so like this you can make a height. Or these sections also have a like here column gap, height. Okay, so this one is a fit to screen, whole screen is fit. See here. Okay, if you choose like a mean height, mean height is almost like a 400 pixel, so like that. So you can calculate how big section you want. So otherwise this one also you don't need. So if you go to like by this way, so this height default is like that. If you want to like a screen, full screen like this, and mean height like that. Or you can like just make a height by yourself like this, right? So it's easy. How much height you want? Suppose I want just 600, I just type here 600, and rest of the things you can use another for another sections, right? So this is a sections, how to use that. And here is the this section, I'm talking about the section right now, and this sections is has like a lot of things here, background, right? So this is your two color here. So you can use this one is a gradient color. Also you can choose the gradient color here, so you can choose from any color like that, right? Location, see here, so put here 90, or put here like a 50, half, right? And here also like to 50, see here, totally 50 degree, 50 part here, right? Here is a linear and radial like this. And location, if you move this one, see here, it's blurring right now, right? Blurring like that. So less than 50 you can do that, but more than 50 you can do here like this. If you want like that is okay. And location here, if you put here 50, and this one location, see here where you want, in the center or like in a hole, right? This is a radial type. Mostly people use like in a linear, and if you have a linear, you can use the degree also, I mean angle also. Suppose I need a 45-degree angle. It's like this, right? If you want like minus 45 degree, so this one goes that side. So this is your background. And one more thing, suppose I have a this color, suppose I have a black color here, and here is a hover, right? If you hover your this mouse, so this color will be changed. Suppose in hover I want like suppose this kind, okay, like this, see here, this is hover. So that's depend on you, so what kind of website you are going to make, right? Suppose if I don't want, so I just click this one, and this is only normal here, okay. Here is a background overlay. Background overlay, you have like many thing here. Suppose background type, if you click this one, you can color here, or like if you want like image, you can choose, select the image, and from image you can choose the one image from here. Suppose I'm going to um, here is a one image. I think I will choose one image. Where is that image? I think here is a good image maybe. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, insert, see here. So this is the image. So this is a background overlay image. Here is a background, right? We don't have an image here, we can put the image too, but this is a background overlay image. So if you don't want to like background overlay image here, just delete this one. If you want a background image here, you can choose here and just click and choose this image. See how different you can see the difference here. Okay, one more thing I'll show you here. Okay, okay, I put the color here also, same thing. Okay, I will do same. I don't want to change anything here. I just put like height is like this, and this one height is like same height. Okay, 400. Okay, 400, and this one is also 400. Okay, I will go and change the color of background black. Okay, and then okay, so you can see the anything here, right? Because without put here anything, so you can see the background color. So first of all, I will go and just put the one thing here. Okay, then I'll go here, color. Uh-oh. Okay, okay, so I don't know what's going on there, so I don't know exactly, but like this is in a way, so we are like put the like in background. Okay, so here I what I want to tell you here, so I will show you what is the difference between like overlay and like background image. Okay, so I will go here first. So here is like my background image, right? And background color also here. But if I choose here background color overlay, And because this color we don't need here, I will go and down this one, right? Okay, and then background overlay, if you choose black, choose the black first here, and then opacity, okay, I put the black. Opacity I put 1. If I go to like and down this opacity here, see, you can see that, right, see. Okay, so this is a, 0.64 opacity. So I'm talking about here, right? Now, so here is a background image, and here is I put background overlay color. So I will do opposite. Okay, so let's see. Right click here, education. Sorry, the section, edit section, and then I want to go for here is a color, and here is I will go and put the image. Okay, same image. See here, what is the difference here? This one you can see, if you put the like background overlay image, you can see the difference here, right? So this kind of differences you can see in background image and background color overlay, or background image, background overlay image, and background color. Okay guys, so for today's just that's it. So next video I will go and teach you image text editor, and how to like make a like edit the like these text headings. So I will teach you in next video. Okay, thank you very much. See you.